Alright, they're coming from the front, so I'm gonna charge at them and you cover my back. What the heck? What are you doing? Dude, why don't you stop playing video games for once and play basketball outside with me? Isn't it raining? So what? We'll go to a gym then. All-star like me can't be stuck at home all day. But aren't you on the JV team? Alright, that's it.
Would you shut up? Can't you see I'm busy doing something?
Don't tell us to shut up. All you're even doing anything. Lie around all day doing nothing. And you all you do is play video games.
Why don't you for me?
Doesn't anyone play basketball with me? I need more than one person to play basketball.
What are you doing there?
Nothing.
It's so weird.
Are you ever gonna tell your mom about us?
For real?
And say what? That I play with myself every night? Well, come on, you gotta
Yeah,
think.
I guess you're right.
Well,
Sorry.
I'm sorry.